Come test drive the 2021 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, power driver seat, leather shift knob. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.